Hey everyone, it's Anna at Spoiler Cosplay and welcome to my Princess Anna makeup tutorial. Anna is my favorite of the two Frozen sisters and not just because we share a name. So welcome to my tutorial and let's get started. So I am starting off with my foundation and everything already done. If you want to see how I do this more in depth, you can check out my spider blend tutorial. And I'm just going to go in with some eyelid primer and prime my eyelids before I do my eyeshadow. I am starting off with the shade Blank Canvas in my Phoenix XL palette and just going over my entire eyelid and up to my eyebrow. Switching over to the Sweet Peach palette, I am going in with the shade Summer Yum into the outer corner and into the crease. Back to the Phoenix XL, I am going in with Idolized and going on top of the color that I just put down in my outer corner and winging it out slightly. And then I'll be going in with Burnt Gold to darken up the very outer tip of the corner and winging it out even more. And with the shade Nectar from Sweet Peach, I'm just going to go on top of the inner corner and middle of the lid. And with a small brush, I'm just going to take the shade Luscious and put it in my inner corner to open up my eyes. And then with a blending brush, I'm just going to put some eyeshadow below my lower lashes. And with a flat brush in the shade Luscious, I'm going to put some of the shimmer on the middle of my eyelid. For my eyebrows, I'm just going to use my Milani Dip Brow Pomade to darken and fill in my eyebrows. Going back in with my Milani Dip Brow Pomade, I am going to use it to create the freckles that Anna has. I'm going to concentrate the most on my nose and disperse them across my cheeks. I'm going to use my e.l.f. blush palette to mix these two pink shades together to create Anna's blush. I'm going to concentrate a lot on the apples of my cheeks and the nose. And with my Fenty Beauty highlighter, I'm going to highlight my cheekbones, below my eyebrow, and my lips. And no princess look would be complete without eyelashes, so I just did that off camera. These are our gel, and then I'm going to blend them in using some mascara. This is from Ulta, but any mascara will do. For lips, I am using NYX's Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Stockholm. I highly recommend this lipstick line. It's super matte, but not flaky or super drying. So I'm just going to build it up until I like the color. So I hope you enjoyed this Princess Anna makeup tutorial. You can follow me on my Instagram at Spoiler Cosplay, and if you're interested as to where I got my costume, you can check out the description. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.